How to optimize storage space on Microsoft Outlook. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this, instead of opening up the Outlook on your desktop, open it up on your web. Then just simply search for Outlook web on Google and open it up, and this is where it will take you. Now over here, even after your email is full and storage is full and you're not able to send any, even then you would be able to send the emails from here. And we can also remove the emails or clear up our storage from web version, and this is quite easy. All you have to do is just click on this option of settings on the top. Now select the general settings. After that, click on this option of storage over here. Then you would be able to see all the storage for your device and your email, and here you can optimize it by deleting all the junk emails that you have or the files that are of no use to you. You can just simply find them and delete them. You won't be able to do it on your desktop version though, so this is why it is beneficial when you use the Outlook web version just for this. So I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.